Whew. Oh, it's hot out here today. But today we got some fun stuff we're going to work on with the Gladiator. We're actually going to do a bed liner in the Gladiator. So, bed's already pretty much clean. I got to give it one more wipe down just to make sure. And we're going to pull the plastic off the top, pull the lights, pull the hardware inside the tie downs, plug up any holes, pull the 2 drain plugs, and pull the top one off the tailgate. Also, we are going to remove tailgate hardware from the inside, mask everything off, and from that point, we will be ready to honestly start applying. We're gonna have to rough up the paint a little bit. A little nervous about that part. Don't like the sound of that. So, extra care will be taken. But it's gonna look good, I think. Alright, so take a look at this first coat. You can see we got the first coat in. It's a nice gray. And then still got a couple more coats to put on, but I wanted to make sure I got that first coat in. They say kind of use that for a primer. So you can see a couple of touch-up spots I need to just get that I can't get with the roller that I missed with the brush. So we're gonna get going. Anyways, I'll keep you guys informed on how it actually finishes out. Thanks. Alright, and here's the finished product. So you can see we've got nice straight lines down the bed. That's why I taped before. I pulled the plastics off so I could continue to have the same straight lines. So far, I absolutely love it. And we'll see how it goes from here.